Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan on this fantastic sunny day. I hope everybody's okay and staying safe. But today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this fantastic 67 registered Jaguar XF Sport. Now this is the 2-litre petrol engine. It's a 250 brake horsepower automatic vehicle, and it's in absolutely drop dead gorgeous condition. It's only done 16,500 miles, so a very low mileage car. Last owner bought it just over 7,000 miles from Jaguar, so he's had the pleasure of driving it for 11,000 miles. Now the car has the must-have black package. So the black package is all the exterior trims in black. This one is sitting on then the 18-inch alloy wheels, and they're also powder coated in black. Do like that Jaguar black centre cap with the red detail with chrome. It just pings off that wheel, doesn't it? And then the exterior black package, so we've got the power vents in the doors, in the wings. We've got the black detailing around the windows. Then coming round to the front there, we get the sort of slightly smoked rear lamps, the vents in the front bumper, and then this gorgeous piano black grille again with the Jaguar badge in the centre. Parking sensors front and rear. Very easy to drive cars these. That silky smooth ZF gearbox is arguably one of the best on the market today. The car itself is in exceptional order. All the wheels are in perfect. This car is a testament to the previous keeper's care. All the wheels are nigh on perfect. Not a mark, not a curb whatsoever. The R Sport badge there pings out there in green and red of the Jaguar racing team. You can see the piano black detail around the windows. That's all in great condition as well. A really gorgeous car this. I've had the pleasure of driving it. I've sold quite a number of the XFs. I would suggest that they are the best medium-sized luxury saloon on the market today. You think about, they were more than 40 grand plus less than 3 years ago. What exceptional value these vehicles are now. So the 2.5, it says 25T on the back there. That's designated for 250 brake horsepower. The black detailing then runs along the boot lid, and then we get the Jaguar leaping cat. Nice little lip spoiler there, just adds detail. Got the side skirts, got this slightly more aerodynamic bumpers front and rear, and then those gorgeous twin tailpipes there. You know, look at the back end of that car. Sits absolutely super, doesn't it? But again, down the driver's side, this vehicle is in top condition. Can't really see any dings or dents on the vehicle. If I did, I would draw your attention to them. The video would be transparent, but let's have a see the front end. Obviously 16,000 miles, it's going to have minimal chips etc, and I would say that this is in showroom condition. Lovely vehicle throughout. Fuji White is a great colour for them. It's supplied with 2 keys. I've got them in my pocket. I'm just going to open up the car there, and then you'll see the jet black interior with the contrast white stitch. Jaguar do really go to town on interiors. Power folding mirrors. Now this car has got some fantastic options. So we've got power fold mirrors, we've got auto dimming exterior mirrors with blind spot monitor. So it lights up yellow on the mirror as a car comes near you. As you can see, that driver's seat is in super condition. Nothing that I would draw attention to that shows wear, but a lovely vehicle. So jumping in the car, you'll see that it's got 16,892 miles as I fire the car up there, and then you get that lovely exhaust note. Not too loud, but just absolutely superb. Now this car has got the head-up display, so can you see the Jaguar there as it feels, and then you can see that little flash, and I don't know whether the video will show that, but it's got a sign recognition, 40 miles an hour. It'll tell you what gear you're in and how fast you're going. Brilliant that. I think this is the first XF I've had with head-up display actually. Can't recall another. We've got the driving modes down there, so for example, if it weather changes, we can switch and just allow the car to know what type of weather it is. In the centre armrest we've got the the Sat Nav disc, SD card. We put the SIM in, we've got the charger and the auxiliary. So the multimedia players there. You also got Bluetooth streaming too. Jaguar Land Rover systems, very easy to use. We've got media player, source, DAB, etc. And then you would just run through that system there. If we then have the Bluetooth phone, try and get the light. I need to connect my device. Always go to the home menu and then you can get all the systems up. Touch the screen and there you go, the Sat Nav jumps into life. Now this one's got the heated front windscreen for winter, and we've got heated seats also, which are there and there on. Automatic headlamps and also automatic wipers. Nice paddles, so we've got the minus down, so we can drive it manual if you so wish, and then obviously the up. Leather trim steering wheel on the R Sport is an exceptional steering wheel. I do like these cars. They are such a nice drive. What I like about Jaguar is they sort of don't mess with the suspension. It's precise enough, but it's also very comfortable, you know. So, speed limiter and cruise control, and this is your radio controls and voice command. Now, I don't smoke, and I can tell that this car has not been smoked in either, which is always good to hear, isn't it? So we've got the leather cap on the dash, and then this lovely aluminium, or what we call smoked aluminium interior detail. Also, that passenger seat is a very lightly used, and again is in superb condition. It does have a set of Jaguar tailored floor mats also. We remove those and then we wash them and scrub them so that they're brand new. So having a look in the rear, look at that cockpit. Lovely cockpit to drive a distance in. The rear has, if I said, I'm not saying it's not been sat in, but it's not been sat in a very long. It is as new in the back here. So looking through the carpets, there's no marks, tears or plucks. We've got Isofix rear seats, as you can see. The jet black interior with the white contrast stitch follows throughout this vehicle. All of the vehicle and the entrance and exits are all in fantastic order. No seat belts caught, no scratches, damaged high heels on the carpets. This is an exceptional 16,000 mile Jaguar XF. I'd encourage anybody, if you're seriously in the market for one of these cars, if you did come to look at this, I very much doubt you'd be walking away without purchasing it. It is in such a nice order. Very large boot, as you can see there. If you've got golf clubs, you'll fit them in with ease. And on this particular vehicle, we've got the locking wheel nut, we've got the tyre weld inflation kit, and that's where your battery is situated. But all in all, a superb vehicle with lots of extras. If you have a look at our website, obviously the advert there will give you all the details on it. If you'd like to purchase the car, we can do a click and collect, which is you just give me a call here in Wigan. There's myself, Graham, there's Dom and there's Lee. We will look after you. The 250 reserves the car. We prepare it to the highest of standards, so it gets serviced, MOT'd if required. All the paperwork is then put together for you, so that then when you do come to visit us, you only have to come once. We will prepare it then, and once you're happy with it, if you've got a part exchange, give us a call. I'll give you the price over the phone on your car. If it is what it is when you come in, we'll give you the price we've said. Have a look at our reviews on Facebook, on Google, and also on Auto Trader. We are a 5-star dealer. We've been in this business now for more than 40 years. As you can see on our forecourt, we have some of the finest cars in the Northwest, if not in the UK. We operate from one of the most prestigious independent showrooms in the area, and we present our cars to the highest of standards. So thanks for watching the video. If you need any more information, give us a call, 01942 231123. Send us an email at sales@alphamotors.co.uk, or connect with us on WhatsApp if we're out of hours, and I'll pick it up as soon as we get it. But thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.